Dirt Magazine here. Yo, we've been waiting for the opportunity to really put this Ingersoll Rand impact wrench, the 2236, to work. And I think we found our opportunity. That's not loose lug nuts. That's a wheel bearing. Let's get into it. And as we've mentioned before, this is what they're calling their DXS2 drive system. See that? How it's keyed? So look, all sorts of impact sockets, and your socket becomes the drive. Right in there. No more dealing with other types of drives. This makes it interchangeable, so you can do all sorts of different drive sizes. Super cool. Let's get into this wheel bearing. Well, we figured it out. It wasn't the wheel bearing. It was the outer tie rod and that locking nut right there. I don't like those. That was crazy. Impossible to get off. Got it off. Almost melted it trying to get it off. And now we're just going to use Ingersoll Rand. Put this baby back together. Oh. All right, we're finishing up. Again, here's our work area. Ingersoll Rand, guys. We love this thing. Look at all the possibilities. Extensions galore, sockets galore. Making this job a lot easier than it was definitely going to be. We love it.